Experiencing data problems on your Metro by T-Mobile phone? It often boils down to the APN, or access point name. The APN acts as a gateway, connecting your device to Metro's network for data. Metro by T-Mobile uses specific APN settings to route internet traffic. Here's how the APN network architecture works. As of 2025, following T-Mobile's network integration, incorrect or missing APN settings are a common cause of data outages. Check Metro's coverage map to understand network availability. On iPhones and Android devices, a mismatch between the device's APN settings and Metro's current requirements prevents proper connection. Android devices allow direct APN editing in settings. iPhones may require carrier profile updates for APN changes. Check for software updates, ensure the SIM is properly inserted, and verify coverage via Metro's coverage map. If data works on Wi-Fi but not cellular, APN is likely the issue. To fix data issues on iPhone, reset your network settings. Go to Settings, then General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset, and select Reset Network Settings. For Android devices, navigate to Settings, Connections, Mobile Networks, then Access Point Names to edit your APN entries. Ensure your APN settings match Metro's guidelines. APN is fast.tmobile.com, ms/mm.tmobile.com, and proxy is mgeek.tmobile.com 80 for MMS. Metro by T-Mobile offers a dedicated app for auto-configuring APN, but manual setup is often more reliable. After changes, restart your device and disable any VPNs during setup.